Welcome back to the Operator's Edge, where we cut through the noise and get to the core of what really matters in your business operations. Today, we're diving into a silent killer lurking in your automation systems, the hidden time bomb of GoHighLevel custom field changes breaking your Zapier links. If you've ever felt like you're babysitting your systems instead of them working for you, this episode is for you. Let's face it, automation is supposed to liberate us from the mundane, not tie us down with new chains. Yet here we are, dealing with automations that silently fail, turning what should be a seamless operation into a ticking time bomb. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a structural flaw that can cripple your business if left unchecked. Imagine this: you've set up a series of automations to streamline your client onboarding process. Everything's running smoothly until one day a minor tweak in a custom field in GoHighLevel causes your Zapier links to silently break. You don't notice until your client pipeline starts drying up. The damage is done, and you're left scrambling to fix a problem you didn't even know existed. This isn't about lacking intelligence or effort. It's about carrying the mental load of what should be offloaded to robust systems. Many operators are exhausted because they're stuck being the human middleware, constantly patching up fragile automations that can't stand on their own. Here's the truth: automation is not about convenience, it's about leverage. It's not about having the latest tools, it's about having a solid infrastructure that can withstand changes and adaptations. The real issue isn't the tools themselves, but how they're integrated into the larger system. When you rely on a patchwork of tools without a cohesive strategy, you're setting yourself up for failure. Let's talk about some system level truths. First, any automation is only as strong as its weakest link. When a custom field change silently breaks a Zapier link, it's not just a technical glitch, it's a failure in your operational design. Your system should be built to anticipate changes, not crumble under them. Second, the obsession with tools over infrastructure is misguided. Tools are transient, they change, evolve, and sometimes disappear. But a well designed infrastructure is adaptable. It doesn't rely on any single tool, but instead focuses on how those tools work together to support your business objectives. Third, sequencing matters more than enthusiasm. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of new features and integrations, but without a clear sequence of operations, you're just adding complexity without value. Your system should have a clear flow where each part supports the next, creating a seamless operation. So, what happens if you ignore this issue for another year? You'll continue to face broken handoffs, fragile automations, and the mental fatigue of constantly troubleshooting. You'll remain stuck in a reactive mode, putting out fires instead of strategically growing your business. The solution isn't about finding the perfect tool, it's about redesigning your operational infrastructure. It's about building systems that anticipate change and adapt without breaking. It's about freeing yourself from carrying the mental load that should live inside robust, reliable systems. As we wrap up, remember this: the real power of automation lies not in the tools, but in the systems that harness them. If you're tired of being the human middleware, it's time to rethink your approach. It's time to build systems that work for you, not the other way around. Thank you for joining me today on the Operator's Edge. If you found this episode valuable, make sure to subscribe and share it with other operators who are ready to take back control of their business systems. Until next time, keep refining, keep building, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in your operations.